Today we will cover all type of Copilot license options, their uses and pricing to help you choose the best option. We have majorly three categories for Copilot licenses. First, free Microsoft Copilot. Second, paid Microsoft 365 Copilot for enterprises and business. Third, paid Copilot for personal and family plans. Let's discuss about each in detail one by one. Free Microsoft Copilot. We have two ways to use Microsoft Copilot, which is totally free. You can use without login. You can use with login from Yahoo and Gmail, etc. So let me show you demonstration of this. If you open copilot.microsoft.com, it will ask you for sign in. It means I have not signed it yet. I may ask for anything. So without sign in as well, I'll get the response from Microsoft Copilot. If I want to sign in, I can sign in with my Yahoo account. So I have logged in with my Yahoo email on free Microsoft Copilot plan. I can also give my prompt. So basically when you use free Copilot gives answer using public web content and it's built-in AI knowledge, not on your personal or organization data. So how free Copilot is different when we use with login and without login. Let me show you comparison. So when you use free Microsoft Copilot with login or without login, here are differences in terms of the login, chat history, personalization, file uploads, cross-device continuity, AI image generation. In both the cases, you cannot access Copilot from the Microsoft Office, no enterprise protection, you cannot use work data, and no custom agents. So even though you use free Microsoft Copilot, it is highly recommended to use by using your login. Now let's move to second option, which is the paid Copilot. Microsoft 365 Copilot license is paid license. Basically, Microsoft 365 Copilot license sits on top of your Microsoft 365 plan. Means you have to pay for two licenses. One for the Microsoft 365 plan and second for the Microsoft 365 Copilot license. Refer this list of Microsoft 365 plans. So before buying Microsoft 365 Copilot, you have to buy your base Microsoft 365 plan. The list is given on Microsoft portal. Microsoft updates this list time to time. So before buying your Copilot license, choose your Microsoft 365 plan wisely. So basically for Microsoft 365 Copilot, there are two categories. For large companies where employee strength is 300 plus, this comes under enterprise plan, which costs 30 USD per user per month on top of your Microsoft 365 plan. If your business is less than 300 employees, in that case, business plan is applicable, which costs you 21 USD per user per month. The only difference is in pricing because of number of employees. In terms of the functionality, business and enterprise plan are totally same in functionality. And the business plan for 21 USD per user per month is recently launched by Microsoft. Let me show you this through demonstration. Business plan is 21 USD per user per person. Currently on discount is for 18 USD. For enterprise plans, is 30 USD per user per month. Please notice that Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. So what is this basically? See, this is one of the user licensed with Microsoft 365 Business Basic Plan, which cost me roughly 6 USD per user per month. And this user have no Copilot license. Since this user have Microsoft 365 plan, it may also do chat with Copilot. But here, the features and capabilities available to this user is much more than the free Microsoft Copilot plan which you use with Yahoo or Gmail account. Apart from this user get enterprise data protection for all the prompts and communication. If you log in with your corporate account and user only have Microsoft 365 plan and no corporate license, they will not see any option here work or web. Like in this case, you can see there are two options, web and work. Work option is only available if you got Microsoft 365 corporate license. This user has two licenses, Microsoft 365 plan. On top of this, it only assigned Microsoft 365 Copilot license. So even though you only have Microsoft 365 plan, you can still do chatting with Copilot, which is totally secure, but you cannot access the Copilot in the MS Office applications. But if you pay 30 USD per user per month as an enterprise customer or 21 USD per user per month as a business customer, you can include your Copilot in the MS Office application as well. We'll talk about comparison of both type of the chat in the coming part of the video. So if you see comparison between the free plan and the paid plan for enterprises, here are differences. If you focus on functionality in Microsoft 365 Copilot, you can access the Copilot in all your MS Office applications. You got the enterprise and compliance protection. You can use your work data, work IQ or graph in Microsoft 365 plan. You can also create Copilot Studio and create custom agents in Microsoft 365 Copilot, which you cannot make in the free Copilot. So we have discussed about free Copilot and paid Microsoft 365 Copilot. Now we'll talk about Microsoft personal plan. So we have three options here: personal, family, and premium subscriber. So basically, these are the Microsoft 365 plans, not the Copilot plans. But these plans include latest AI features of the Copilot. Unlike these plans have features which have user limits or require AI credits, which will vary based on your Microsoft 365 plan, whether it's a personal, family, or premium. So we'll discuss now through a demonstration. Let's go to individual plans or personal plans. Personal plan costs you roughly 10 USD per user per month. It's for only one user. Family plan costs you 13 USD per month for 1 to 6 people. And Microsoft 365 Premium costs you around 10 USD as of now. And the price is 20 USD per month. It is kind of extension of family plan. So let's see comparison of Copilot features in these plans. You can see that in personal plan, you can use in all the MS Office apps and higher user limit than the free Copilot. Same for the family plan. But in premium plan, you get the highest usage limits for the Copilot features. So what are these features and what is the usage limit? So let me show you a sample of this. Basically, AI credit measures the use of AI feature when you use them in Office apps. For example, asking Copilot to summarize my inbox or draft a proposal would require one AI credit. And each plan we get certain amount of the credits. We can compare all the options here. Like in personal, family, premium, we have different amount of the credits available and how to use them. You can see that we have inbuilt agents in Microsoft 365 Copilot. You can see the ability and usage limits vary among the plans. Similarly, many other features availability. Let's focus more on the Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps. In Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, you can use Copilot. In personal and family plan, you get 60 credits per month, but in premium plan, you get higher limit. If your usage is very high, it's better to go for the premium plan. So for non-enterprise users, Non-business user, these are three plans for the paid Microsoft Copilot customers. So we have discussed first two options, no login and personal login for the free Microsoft Copilot. Second option for business and enterprise, which is Microsoft 365 Copilot. And the fourth one is Microsoft 365 personal and family plans for the non-enterprise customers. And you can see the differences between them. I trust now it's clear to you what are different kind of Copilot licenses, their cost and their cost benefit analysis and their features. Thank you.